the realm of coding and algorithms. In a world where AI is speedily advancing, it is no longer enough to be technically skillful. You need to understand the principles that underlie the technology. You need to get inside the head of an artificial intelligence, so to speak. You need to understand how it learns, how it grows. You need to understand its rules and its limitations. You need to understand how it views the world, the lens through which it sees and processes information. The world as seen by an AI is not the one we know. It doesn't see colors, it doesn't hear sounds, it doesn't smell scents. It understands data, and from that data, it forms patterns and draws conclusions. To understand AI, you need to understand data. You need to know how to read data, how to interpret it, how to use it. Data is the language that AI speaks, and if you want to converse with it, you need to learn that language. But understanding AI is not just about technical knowledge, it's also about understanding the ethics of AI. How should AI be used? What are its potential dangers? What safeguards should be in place? These are questions that don't have easy answers. They require thought, debate, reflection. They require a deep understanding of the potential impact of AI on our society, on our world. This is why a background in philosophy or social sciences can be a huge asset when it comes to AI. It allows you to weigh the pros and cons, the benefits and the risks. It allows you to navigate the tough ethical questions that AI poses. But there's more to AI than just data and ethics. There's also the creativity aspect. AI is a tool, and like any tool, its usefulness depends on how creatively you can use it. Creativity in AI means finding new ways to use the technology. It means finding new applications, new solutions, new approaches. It means thinking outside the box, challenging the status quo. And that's where the humanities come into play. A background in literature, in art, in music can give you a unique perspective on AI. It can help you see possibilities that others don't. For instance, can we use AI to create art? Can we use it to compose music? Can we use it to tell stories? These are questions that require a creative mindset, a mindset that is often nurtured by the humanities. So if you want to truly understand AI, you need a diverse set of skills. You need technical knowledge, yes, but you also need ethical understanding, a creative mindset, an ability to see beyond the obvious. You need to be curious, to be open-minded, to be willing to learn and to question. You need to be able to see the big picture, to understand the context in which AI operates. You need to have a deep sense of empathy, to understand the impact of AI on individuals, on communities, on societies. You need to be able to put yourself in the shoes of others, to understand their fears, their hopes, their dreams. You need to be adaptable, to be able to keep up with the rapid pace of change in the AI field. You need to be able to learn new skills, to acquire new knowledge, to stay relevant. You need to be a problem solver, to be able to use AI to address real-world challenges. You need to be able to think on your feet, to adapt and improvise, to find solutions. You also need to be a communicator, to be able to explain complex AI concepts in simple, understandable terms. You need to be able to bridge the gap between the technical and the non-technical, to make AI accessible to all. You need to be a leader, to guide others in the AI journey. You need to inspire, to motivate, to show the way. You need to be a beacon of hope and progress in a field that can often seem intimidating. And above all, you need to be a lifelong learner, because the world of AI is constantly evolving, and to keep up, you need to be constantly learning, constantly growing, constantly pushing your boundaries. This is the code of cognition, the blueprint for understanding AI. It's not a path for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to embark on this journey. The rewards can be immense. So dare to dream, dare to explore, dare to challenge. Dare to step out of your comfort zone and into the fascinating world of AI. Because the future of AI is not just about technology, it's about people, it's about society, it's about us. And to shape that future, we need to understand AI not just as a tool, but as a part of our shared human experience. So let's embark on this journey together. Let's decode the mysteries of AI. Let's unlock its potential. Let's shape its future. Because the future of AI is in our hands. And remember, the code of cognition is not just about acquiring skills. It's about a mindset, a way of thinking, a way of viewing the world. It's about being flexible, adaptable, creative. It's about seeing the world not just as it is, but as it could be. It's about seeing possibilities, about dreaming big, about making a difference. So join us in this adventure. Explore, learn, grow. Unlock the mysteries of AI, and in the process, unlock your own potential. Because the journey to understanding AI is also a journey to understanding yourself. Welcome to the world of AI. Welcome to the Code of Cognition.